What's up, graphic designers? Photoshop is all around us, including on this trash and recycling bin. And I know that probably some of you guys know how this works. I feel like maybe some of the labbies could use a little bit of inspiration. And to do that and to achieve that goal, what we're going to do is create a little bit of marketing for the corners of our schools featuring maybe yourself, if you're Sophia, or a buddy, and a celebrity of your choice. So ultimately, we can create a design that will be posted right behind that garbage can, the recycling cans, that say something like your name and celebrity. Maybe it's Drake, maybe it's Adele, maybe it's LeBron. Keep lab clean. We're going to include the lab logo as we have right here in the lower left-hand corner. You'll notice I eliminated the green using the magic wand with contiguous unchecked. Additionally, we've got a fun slogan. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Throwing trash in the can, making it clear. Dad jokes. We used the Puppet Warp tool. We used some layering, and you'll notice that I eliminated Sophia's thumb, so it creates the illusion that she's actually tossing this can of Pringles. And the Puppet Warp. If you need a little bit of refresher on the Puppet Warp tool, here's how it works. You can click on Edit, and then select Puppet Warp. And check this out, guys. If I click and apply a joint at her shoulder and one on her hand, and then I drag like this, it's just going to rotate around her shoulder. So what we're going to need to do is apply a few more of these anchors. And so now what we can do is we can shift it like so. She's like waving, we can sort of extend her arm, and so we can manipulate labbies and celebrities as I did here with Drake. Now I was able to find this photo because I searched Drake arms outstretched, and I got something that I thought looked like it would fit with this kind of scenario. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we want to think about contrast. I've been talking about contrast, so we can see this text pretty clearly, but here is something that I did that makes the celebrity, the labbie, the garbage cans pop a little bit more. I popped in this, added this backdrop, city skyline, and I dropped the opacity to 30% because at 100%, it's really overwhelming, right? Everything's kind of muddled. However, when I drop opacity to, let's say about 30%, it's right where I want it to be. And so we can see that we've got the city behind them, and yet the emphasis, the idea, is on the individuals keeping lab clean by disposing of their recycling, their aluminum, their garbage into recycling bins and trash cans. You're going to let me know if you have any questions. We're working on this. We're going to want to make use of the entire visual, and as always, we're going to click on File, New, and then we're going to go to Print, and we're going to make sure that it's on letter with the orientation in horizontal mode, right? So width is 11 inches, height is 8.5, and we're going to press Create. Now, if we want to add this logo but eliminate the green, how can we do that? We're going to press, I'm going to deselect, I'm going to press Command A to select all, Command C, and then if I'm going to pop in here, Command V, Magic Wand, and I'm going to make sure that contiguous is unchecked, because if contiguous is checked, right, and I select the interior green, you'll notice that all the green that's not touching, specifically inside the B or outside this perimeter, is not going to be selected. So I'm going to press Command Z, Command Z, Command D to deselect, contiguous unchecked. And now it's going to select the green, all the green, including the green that's not touching. And when we press Command D and Command T, we can have an effect that looks a little something like this. And you can think about where it makes most sense for your poster. Again, I've got in the lower left-hand corner. Cannot wait to see what you guys produce. I want a fun slogan. We're going to look for layer styles. You're going to let me know if you have any questions. Save this as a PSD. Always save this as a PSD. Submit your work as a JPEG. Good luck.